Welcome back, my friends. Today is 31 July 2026, and I have a short testimonial about why moving all year and I do intensive Pilates 3 days a week, and I do incorporate some weight bearing exercises because as we get older, we need to keep our muscles engaged. And because I do that, I am a senior softball athlete, and Vancouver, Washington has a league, and there's great camaraderie and friendship, and it is competitive, but you never see, violent tempers if somebody thinks the call was wrong by the umpire, and they're human beings, and maybe once in a while they will make a mistake, but for the most part, it is wonderful. It's great exercise, and it keeps you engaged in your community. And so on the 13th of July, I had in the second game, because we play two 7-inning games each night, and in that way it works out best for the league. And in the second game, along about the third inning or so, I was on first base. I'd gotten a hit, and I was taken off to second base in not just a few steps. I tried to get myself up as fast as I could go because I didn't want to get thrown out at second base. And I came up, and I had a grade 2 strain of my big calf muscle. And so I was really hurting, and I had people assist me off the field. And I got out at second base because I couldn't get there. And so, but because I do the exercises all year, I was able to stay off of the leg and do everything that physical therapy recommends. You elevate it, you ice it. And then when you don't have pain, you start doing these exercises. Like right now, I'm just standing on the toes of my left leg where that strain is. And so I built it back up. And because we had extreme heat and we couldn't play last week, I only missed a few innings of this season because last night we had another doubleheader and I was able to participate as a catcher. And I also want to throw in another life lesson that I've learned about it's so important to remain teachable. One of my teammates noticed that my first couple of times up to bat and my stance, I didn't have my back shoulder up. So when I was coming through to hit the ball, I didn't have a very good angle of attack on the ball. Okay. So he said, all your Major League Baseball players and the really good softball players, they elevate their shoulder up some. And this way, when you come in, you're able to hit the ball more square. It worked. I smashed a couple of really good balls. And I got some hits. I helped my team score runs. I drove in some runs. And so this is why, my friends, it just takes a little bit of effort every single day to do that dirty word that begins with an E and ends in an E. Exercise. It will lead to an abundant life for you. And so it makes me feel so good when I bang that softball and I really drive it over the outfielder's head. And I've had a triple in the league a few years ago when I was younger. And so once I get my legs healed back up, I'm looking forward to the next time I can get a triple. And so I've had quite a few doubles, but anyway. So DanielParsonsMinistry.com is my website. I have a link. I could actually go there and show you the site. So let me go on screen share. And let me pull up my site. And here it is. So DanielParsonsMinistry.com. Okay. And I have people that guest write for me, how to build confidence and achieve your goals with faith today. So it is spiritually focused. I do have links to fitness videos here. Then I have a shop, and I am self-supporting via the wellness field since 2005. And I found some wonderful um, devices that are very, very helpful for us as we age. And so let me show you this here. This is the Pharm CELLNERGY foot charge device. You can put this in your carry-on luggage, heats up your feet, and sends electrical pulse signals into your body through your feet. Then also, when I needed to, anytime I have inflammation, there's this Pharm CELLNERGY Wellness Red Light Terahertz device. And so this is also very, very helpful. And you can actually structure water with this. As a matter of fact, it's time for me to go drink my water. So look at, and we have a CELLNERGY water bottle now that it has some incredible new technology built into the bottom of the water bottle is an infuser. And so this gives you really high quality antioxidant. Just put your own pure water in there and you will notice the difference, the energy level. So this is Daniel. I'm hoping that you have a blessed day, and we look forward to seeing you the next time. Bye for now.